In this video, you will watch my process of creating a simple 4 elements mandala. There are no complex rules for this exercise, and there are many different ways to create yours. You can also use any type of media you feel comfortable with. I decided to keep it simple and used my good old watercolors and other traditional tools. Your circle can be very easily drawn using either a compass or a circular object that can work as a template. The most important element in the mandala is the symbol you receive during your meditation that will be placed at the center of the circle. This is going to be your starting point. In my example, instead of making preliminary sketches, I decided to go ahead and create a digital mock-up of my mandala, which is a method I use quite often in my professional work. If you think you lack the skills to draw it, do not worry. This is not the most important here. You can use an image from the internet or other source to use as a reference to draw from. Remember that the most important in the whole process is the intention, which is harmonizing your connection with nature and the elements. As you draw, meditate on your symbol and other elements that come to your imagination. Ask yourself what messages they have for you. Here, my symbol is represented by the shell with the sunflower. The other elements, the hand, the peacock feathers, came to my mind very naturally while I was preparing the mock-up, and I found them to be a great way to frame my symbol. You can also just forget any planning or sketching and simply start drawing, going with the flow of your creativity. It's all about the journey. When it is time to choose your colors, you can follow your intuition and use the ones you think your mandala resonates with. In this example, I chose a balance of cool and warm colors, since in my interpretation, my symbol is tied to the meanings of the elements water and fire. Color is energy, and it will define the mood of your work. Just let your imagination flow freely. As you fill your mandala with color, keep meditating on that symbolism and how this exercise makes you feel. At the end of the exercise, do any retouches you find necessary. When you feel you have completed your mandala, give it a title. You might want to hang your mandala on the wall and try and meditate on it over the next days. You will be surprised at the new meanings your work has the potential to bring to you.